It started with a single quiet sentence, nothing meaningful, nothing poetic, just a line I typed into an AI out of curiosity. Late at night, when the world felt strangely silent, the moment I hit generate, the screen shifted. Pika Labs didn't just create a video. It revealed something. Shadows formed first, then light, then motion, like the AI was pulling a scene out of a place I couldn't see. It felt less like creation and more like discovery. I should have stopped there, but something pushed me forward. I took the same sentence, unchanged, and brought it into Runway, and Runway didn't show me a new idea. It showed me a deeper version of the same one. The atmosphere grew heavier, the colors are darker, as if the AI understood a hidden emotion buried between the words. A single frame caught my attention, so I sent it to LeiaPix. In seconds, the still image began to move, depth unfolded, the foreground reached forward, the shadows bent around invisible shapes. It was like the photo had been waiting to breathe. I wanted to understand what I was really looking at, so I pushed the visuals through Magnific, and Magnific didn't enhance the image. It corrected it. It added details I never imagined, textures I didn't design, patterns that felt intentional. That's when it hit me. I wasn't building a story, I was uncovering one. Each tool felt like it held a different piece of something bigger. A world hiding inside a simple sentence I barely thought about, and the strange part. It felt like the AIs weren't showing me their vision, they were showing me a part of mine I had never seen.